Now getting into one is Shericka Jackson. She's a great 400-metre runner as well. Daryl Nita trying to go with her. Good running in lane 3 there from Morrison. Oh, and Jackson pulls up. Not an abrupt pull-up as Alfred takes it from Nita.
Shericka Jackson versus Julien Alfred. These two stars are locked in a thrilling battle for the 200-meter supremacy, pushing each other to the limit in one of the most electrifying rivalries in track and field today. Jackson, the reigning two-time world champion and fastest woman alive over the 200 meters, is aiming for an unprecedented third straight world title. At the same time, Alfred, fresh off her Olympic silver medal, is hungry to claim her first global gold. With the 2025 track season heating up, both sprinters have made strong statements. Jackson is working her way back from injury, and Alfred is sharpening her speed with strategic over-distance training. But will Jackson reclaim her dominance? Or will Alfred become the Caribbean's next sprint queen? And can Olympic champion Gabrielle Thomas play spoiler? There are so many questions, so let's get right into it. Currently, Jamaica's Shericka Jackson and Saint Lucia's Julien Alfred are the Caribbean's best women's 200-meter runners. Both of them have run below the 22 seconds barrier multiple times in their careers. Jackson has proven to be arguably the greatest women's 200-meter runner of all time, with her 2 World Championship titles and being the fastest woman alive at the event with her 21.41 seconds done to win her second World Championship title in the event at the 2023 Budapest edition of the meet. Julien Alfred, on the other hand, ran the second fastest 200-meter indoors with her national record of 22.01 seconds to win the 2023 NCAA Indoor Championship. Since her collegiate days at the University of Texas, Julien Alfred has pivoted in the 200-meter, with her best time being 21.86 seconds to finish second behind Gabrielle Thomas of the United States at the 2024 London Athletics meet. She went on to claim silver at the Paris Olympics later that season, becoming the 11th Caribbean woman to earn an Olympic 200-meter medal. With the absence of Shericka Jackson in the 200-meter at the Paris Olympics, it can be said that she is returning to fine form because she opened her season with 7.18 seconds to place second behind Jodie Ann Williams in the 60-meter at the Queen's Grace Jackson meet. She went over distance by running a 300-meter national record of 36.16 seconds to win at the New Balance Indoor Grand Prix. Julien Alfred's coach, Edric Florial, has stated that she will be doing over-distance work in the 400-meter to improve her 100-meter and 200-meter. If we talk about Shericka Jackson, she is still recovering from injury, and it's safe to say that her condition is a bit uncertain because last season was the first time since 2020 that she did not break the 22.00 seconds in the 200-meter. But she will aim to join Allyson Felix of the United States as the second woman to win 3 consecutive 200-meter World Championship titles. The last time that Shericka Jackson and Julien Alfred met was at the Galai Itzvan Memorial, where Alfred won in 22.16 seconds and Jackson got an injury which led her to finish the race in 36.29 seconds. Alfred will want to add more medals to her growing resume this season at the Tokyo World Championship in September. Jackson, on the other hand, will want to win 3 consecutive World Championship titles. The battle for 200-meter dominance is far from over, and with Shericka Jackson and Julien Alfred pushing their limits, the future of Caribbean sprinting has never looked brighter. With fierce competition and record-breaking potential on the horizon, the 2025 track and field season promises unforgettable moments. Who do you think will come out on top in this epic 200-meter showdown? Will Jackson make history with a 3rd consecutive world title, or will Alfred claim her first global gold? Drop your predictions in the comments below and let's get the debate going. Check out this video on Shericka Jackson's comeback at the 2025 season opener. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 200-meter rivalry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more track and field updates. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.